Well, boys, we got bad news. And by we, I mean Marcus. Well, it's never a good day when Marcus has the boroscope out.
Yeah. Dude, look how cool this thing is. This is like a $50,000 scan tool.
ViewTech.
It's got all the cool stuff. You can like take videos and pictures, and you got SD card.
That's crazy.
They're also extremely useful for checking stuff before you tear it all apart.
Where's the tip at?
It's right here.
Dude, that blows my mind that there's camera and lights in there. Hold on.
I'll turn it on. And you can like move this with the joystick that I have. But what makes this so expensive is how small this camera is right here. You see, like, if you look at a snap-on boroscope or anything like that, it's way bigger. So that's what makes this so expensive.
Dude,
It's a little dirty.
pretty cool.
Alright, so bring it over here. So piston looks okay. Can you see it good on the camera?
Yo, hold on, I'm getting a focus. Yeah, it's probably as good as it's gonna get.
Alright, so piston, everything's looking okay. Everything's looking okay. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh! What's that?
You're missing a piece of your piston there, bud. How's the cylinder wall look? It looks okay. Yeah, that's fucked. So we did a compression test on this cylinder and it was at 30 PSI. And we took all the plugs out. But yeah, that's not looking good.
Dude, that's gonna be a good trophy.
So what does this mean?
It means the engine's coming out, and I'll strip it down to a short block, and I'll probably throw the short block on a pallet and send it over to my favorite engine builder over in Rhode Island and have them just send me a bill.
Damn.
Have them put new pistons, rings in it. You could probably still use my crank and rods, and then he'll send it back to me, and then we'll assemble the engine, make it a long block again, throw it back in, keep going.
Your first blown engine.
First blown engine.
Any advice to other 351 owners?
I don't know. Just don't get pissed off and give up when your stuff blows up, because it's gonna happen, and it takes the fun out of it when you get all pissed off.
Yeah, you get all
stuff
butthurt
breaks.
about it. You just
It's
gotta
all part of the hobby.
fix it, keep going.
Yeah, it's all part of the hobby. Don't get pissed off and give up when stuff breaks.
Well, engine building episodes coming soon.